What if I told you that the king of construction sites has just entered the world of ultra-luxury motorhomes? Yes, you heard that right. The all-new 2026 Caterpillar Motorhome is here, and it's not just an RV, it's a moving fortress built with the DNA of heavy machinery. Welcome back to Autoscope, where we bring you the boldest and most powerful machines on the road. When you hear the name Caterpillar Inc., you immediately think of bulldozers, excavators, and unstoppable strength. Now imagine that same rugged engineering philosophy transformed into a luxury motorhome. The 2026 Caterpillar Motorhome blends industrial toughness with 5-star comfort, creating something that feels ready to conquer mountains while keeping you wrapped in pure luxury. Let's start with the exterior. This motorhome doesn't look soft or ordinary. It carries a bold, muscular stance inspired by Caterpillar's heavy-duty trucks and equipment. The front fascia features a massive grille with the iconic cat badge, aggressive LED matrix headlights, reinforced bumpers, and a high ground clearance that instantly sets it apart from traditional RVs. The body is constructed using high-strength steel framing combined with lightweight composite panels, making it durable yet surprisingly efficient. Under the hood, the 2026 Caterpillar Motorhome is powered by a heavy-duty turbo diesel engine derived from Caterpillar's commercial truck lineup. We're talking about massive torque output, allowing this giant to tow additional trailers, boats, or even utility equipment without breaking a sweat. Paired with an advanced automatic transmission and intelligent all-wheel drive system, this motorhome is designed for highways, deserts, mountain passes, and even rough terrain. It's not just for campsites, it's built for adventure without limits. Step inside, and the story completely changes from rugged to refined. The cabin greets you with premium leather seats, real wood accents, brushed aluminum finishes, and customizable ambient lighting. Caterpillar has focused on blending industrial style with modern elegance. The dashboard features a fully digital driver display, a massive central touchscreen infotainment system, and advanced navigation with terrain mapping capabilities. The driver's cockpit feels more like a luxury truck than a traditional RV. High seating position, panoramic windshield, 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even off-road drive modes make handling this giant surprisingly easy. Despite its size, the technology ensures confidence behind the wheel. Moving toward the living area, you'll find a spacious slide-out design that expands at the touch of a button. The living room includes plush recliner sofas, a large smart TV mounted on a retractable panel, and a premium surround sound system. The flooring is finished in durable yet elegant materials that can handle mud, sand, or everyday wear from long road trips. The kitchen is fully equipped with residential-grade appliances. You get a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave oven, solid surface countertops, and plenty of storage cabinets. Caterpillar understands that long journeys require practical solutions, so storage compartments are intelligently designed throughout the interior. Now let's talk about the master bedroom. At the rear, you'll find a king-size bed with memory foam mattress, soft LED lighting, overhead storage, and large windows for natural light. The bathroom feels like a hotel suite, offering a glass-enclosed shower, modern sink design, premium fixtures, and high-capacity water tanks to support extended off-grid living. One of the most impressive aspects of the 2026 Caterpillar Motorhome is its off-grid capability. Equipped with a high-capacity lithium battery system, roof-mounted solar panels, onboard generator, and advanced water filtration system, this motorhome allows you to stay off the grid for extended periods. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or parked near a scenic lake, you have independence and comfort at the same time. Caterpillar has also engineered advanced suspension systems inspired by their heavy-duty vehicles. The air suspension automatically adjusts to road conditions, ensuring a smoother ride even on uneven terrain. This makes long-distance travel less tiring and more enjoyable for everyone on board. Safety has not been overlooked. The 2026 model includes collision mitigation systems, emergency braking, stability control, tire pressure monitoring, and reinforced structural design to provide maximum protection. It's built like a tank but drives like a premium touring vehicle. In terms of size, this motorhome is massive, offering multiple layout options depending on customer preference. Buyers can customize interior themes, technology packages, and even exterior color schemes. From corporate luxury tours to extreme adventure travel, the Caterpillar motorhome adapts to your lifestyle. Fuel efficiency, considering its size and power, is optimized with modern diesel technology and aerodynamic shaping. While it's not a small SUV, it delivers respectable mileage within the heavy motorhome category. The 2026 Caterpillar motorhome isn't just about transportation. It's about making a statement. It represents strength, independence, and the ability to go anywhere without sacrificing comfort. It's for those who don't just travel, they dominate the journey. Pricing is expected to position this motorhome in the premium luxury RV segment, competing with high-end expedition vehicles and luxury tour coaches. While exact figures may vary based on customization, this is clearly a machine built for serious enthusiasts who demand both power and prestige. So, what do you think about this heavy-duty beast transformed into a luxury palace on wheels? Would you take it off-road into the wild, or cruise it across the country in ultimate comfort? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this exclusive look at the all-new 2026 Caterpillar motorhome, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Autoscope for more powerful machines and luxury vehicles from around the world. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. This isn't just another RV. This is Caterpillar strength meeting luxury freedom. And in 2026, the road belongs to those who dare to drive bigger.